This is a review from EyeBuyDirect. The frame name is Bandon. It's a single vision distance with prescription, color, mirrored, silver. Standard lenses, $6.95. Breakdown. Here's the breakdown. Okay, it has a UV ray, so it cost me $41.95. $41.95 total purchase. $52.97.
All right, welcome back, viewers. Look at this. Hi, guys. EyeBuyDirect. This is one of these. All right, this is my new EyeBuyDirect eyeglasses. Okay. Let's check it out. Looking good. This is colored, huh? New glasses are only beginning. Adopting your new glasses, putting on the for the first time can feel a little weird, but don't fret. Wearing them as often as possible the next few days will help you adapt quickly. You may need 1 or 2 weeks for your eyes to adjust to progressive lenses. During that time, try moving your head around. Seeing it from your okay. Okay, so just your glasses. Blah, blah, blah. Okay, look at that. Okay, read it. See more of what you love. 14-day return. 365-day guarantee. If you see any defects in the materials or workmanship, let us know. You can get a one-time replacement faulty frame. Look at this. Questions? Okay. All right. Let's check it out.